Hey everyone, welcome to Preeti's Kitchen. Today I'll be making zarda pulao or Indian way of cooking sweet rice. So let's get started. So the first step is to soak your 1 cup basmati rice. I have already done. It's a very important step. So soak it for 1 hour, otherwise your rice will not cook nicely. So the first thing we take is 3/4 cups of water. Add to this 1 cup of sugar. We'll keep on fire for it to boil. You can see the water boiling. We'll remove this from the fire and keep it aside. So another wok I have taken on a low heat. Add about 3 tablespoons of ghee. So on a low heat, my ghee has melted. I'm going to add green cardamom and cloves to this. We'll stir fry it for a few seconds till the green cardamom changes its color. So I've been stirring it for almost half a minute. You can see the cardamom has changed its color. It's become a little lighter brown. This is the time to add our blanched and shredded almonds. I've taken about a tablespoon of almonds. I blanched them in the hot water and then shredded them. And the raisins, which have been soaking for 10 minutes. We're going to stir it till the raisins they swell up. It will take about half a minute, nothing more than that. It will become a little bigger in size. This is the time to add our soaked basmati rice. This is 1 cup of soaked basmati rice. It's been soaking for 1 hour. Let's mix this very gently, not to break the grain. This I'm going to add about 1 1/4 cup of water. 1 cup and 1/4. Also add our saffron strands, which have been soaking in warm water. In case you don't get the desired yellow color, you can also add a pinch of yellow color to it. Let's mix this well. So now that's boiling, I'll put the flame to low. Just to decrease the heat on my cooking wok. If you have a tawa or if you have a pan which can take the size of the wok, put it down so the heat is reduced. And put your flame on low. During this time it will boil again. If it boils, then you reduce the heat to the lowest heat that you can get in your stove. So let's wait for it to boil. As you can see, it's boiling a little bit, so I'm going to reduce the flame to the lowest setting. And we're going to cook this till the water is absorbed by the rice completely. The rice has been cooking for almost 10 minutes and the water is all absorbed, you can see. This is the time to add sugar syrup, which we had already prepared. I'm adding a little bit of kevra essence to it, or the raw kevra, about 2 to 3 drops. We'll add this to the rice. So the rice is ready. You can see the sugar syrup is all being absorbed by the rice. We'll remove it from the heat and we'll put it on the platter. So the zarda rice or the sweet pulao is ready. You can serve it up, garnish it with shredded pistachios. You can do the same if you like. So if you've enjoyed enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.